A brand new Toyota truck for just $10,000. It's not just affordable, it's a game changer, redefining what a pickup can be. A game changer in affordability and customization.
We all know how car prices have been on the rise, and just now things seem to be turning around.
Car prices have been steadily climbing, but the arrival of this new $10,000 Toyota truck signals a potential shift in the industry. This is a game changer, especially coming from Toyota, a brand renowned for its reliability. The IMV0 isn't just affordable, it's shaking up the market for two major reasons, and every other manufacturer is taking notice. At such a low price point, it's natural to question how capable this truck can really be. After all, the cheapest truck available right now is the Ford Maverick, which costs double, and that's without dealer markups. Even Toyota's own Hilux, considered a budget-friendly workhorse outside the US, costs twice as much. So what's Toyota's game plan, and how will this impact the industry? The answer lies in shifting priorities. Modern cars are often overpriced, packed with tech and luxury features that many buyers don't need. Toyota's move is strategic. They're appealing to a broader market that craves practical, affordable vehicles. Just look at the success of the Ford Maverick. Other automakers are bound to follow suit. Even Toyota's Land Cruiser dropped its price to $55,000, with a smaller, more affordable Landhopper on the way. According to Toyota's CEO, the IMV0 represents their vision of making durable, reliable vehicles accessible to everyone, not just a luxury for the few. But can they really deliver legendary Toyota reliability at this price? Performance-wise, Toyota insists the IMV0 has undergone extensive testing to ensure it meets their renowned standards. What really sets this truck apart, though, is its customizable design. Unlike traditional pickups like the F-150 or the Maverick, the IMV0 is purposefully minimalist, giving owners a blank canvas to build what they need. Whether you want to create a food truck, a mobile workshop, or even a tiny home, the IMV0 empowers buyers to make it their own. The large cargo area is designed for flexibility, turning the truck into a tool for entrepreneurship or adventure. And while the price is low, Toyota hasn't compromised on durability. This isn't just any budget truck. It's a Toyota. That name alone carries weight. And with a truck this affordable, reliable, and adaptable, it's no wonder the industry is paying attention. A game changer in the truck market.
A brand new pickup truck for just $12,000. Sounds impossible, right? In a market where even the cheapest trucks push past $25,000, Toyota has done something no one saw coming. Meet the Toyota Hilux Champ, an ultra-affordable, no-frills workhorse that could shake up the entire truck industry. Built for practicality and durability, this compact powerhouse challenges everything we thought we knew about pickup pricing. But is it the budget-friendly game-changer buyers have been waiting for, or is there
a brand new pickup truck for just $10,000 sounds impossible, right? The existing truck market, with prices exceeding $25,000, receives a surprise from Toyota, as the company introduces the Hilux Champ at only $10,000. The Toyota Hilux Champ stands as an affordable basic work vehicle, which represents a total disruption opportunity for the truck sector. This durable compact vehicle eliminates all our previous assumptions about pickup truck pricing to deliver practical performance. The Toyota Hilux Champ seeks to win buyers with its affordable price. Yet some fear there could be hidden conditions. Throughout the decades, pickup trucks gained their reputation as tough vehicles designed for demanding jobs and offering adaptive performance and force. Trucks now command higher and higher prices because they incorporate costly luxury features with advanced technological capabilities which exceed average consumer purchasing capability. As a new entry in the market, the Toyota Hilux Champ shows a return to basic yet effective design features. It was during a period when trucks became increasingly luxurious that Toyota chose to create a stripped-down vehicle which delivers only reliability alongside toughness and affordability. The Hilux Champ avoids pursuing the attention-seeking appearance in its market category. This vehicle performs its intended duties along with ignoring all decorative details. The vehicle shows utilitarian design because it displays a straightforward look, which gives priority to functionality over beauty. The power system of this vehicle provides consistent reliability that permits it to transport large amounts of materials successfully through rough terrain. A functional interior matches the practical exterior by delivering durable materials that combine comfortable shapes with sensible placements of practical components. The vehicle exists without contemporary technology features because it concentrates on supplying essential features to its users. The base price of the Hilux Champ stands out as the most significant factor, separating it from competing models in the market. Through his $10,000 price tag, Toyota President Akio Toyoda aimed to create a truck for businesses and farmers, as well as tradespeople and casual drivers. The market exists differently at the low price point since vehicle costs rise yearly. Toyota managed to attract practical customers who favored functional products above luxurious options through their pricing strategy in product development. Customers expressed concerns about the Toyota Hilux Champ's pricing strategy because they wonder whether any essential functions are omitted. The decision-making process of business cost reduction makes companies weigh the balance between keeping safety measures and performance specifications and product longevity. Early reviews suggest otherwise. Customers trust Toyota because through its excellent reputation, it proves to deliver vehicles with longevity. Despite missing high-end features, the vehicle offers functional services and reliable driving along with extensive storage capabilities, which are characteristic of Hilux models. Durability and innovation. Throughout its history, Toyota has proven itself as a manufacturer of trucks which maintain their integrity permanently. The Hilux gained fame for its ability to survive war zones and extreme off-roading situations, along with its reputation as a truck that can withstand drowning, after which came the best-selling Tacoma. After several decades, Toyota trucks achieved popularity as dependable utility vehicles, which gathered devoted enthusiasts from both workers and recreational drivers and regular motorists. The company has shifted to a new direction with their $10,000 pickup truck available in the market today. The Hilux Champ emerges as a straightforward pickup truck that delivers practicality and efficiency at a price point which makes new trucks reachable to people who believed they were out of reach. One priority of the Hilux Champ model is delivering reliable performance at a reasonable cost instead of high-tech sophistication. The developers centered their approach on simplicity because they focused exclusively on durability and functionality rather than extras. The expected design of the Champ features essential durability along with straightforward maintenance that keeps costs low for part replacements. The platform attracts businesses along with farmers and tradespeople because it offers a dependable transportation system that keeps repair costs manageable for their needed equipment and terrain work. The Hilux Champ delivery stands to provide a commercial vehicle which mirrors the level of effort put in by its operator. The Toyota Champ represents an efficient solution among their product lineup. The current period demands trucks that deliver strong performance while also minimizing fuel expenses. Thus, the Toyota Hilux Champ brings vast market value. The mixture of lightweight construction with a compact fuel-efficient motor design promotes high fuel economy in the Champ truck line. Rural dirt paths and urban streets become the natural playground for the Hilux Champ, which delivers dependable performance regardless of the chosen environment. But why now? Do markets demand an economical pickup truck when high-end truck models keep becoming grander and more expensive? Toyota delivers success through their mastery of worldwide consumer behavior. The market preference in numerous global locations emphasizes utilitarian traits and budget-friendly costs instead of the luxurious specifications popular among North American truck consumers. Practical buyers have an option with the Hilux Champ because it functions as a basic automobile without unneeded features. The truck accomplishes what Toyota promises by delivering legendary strength through an affordable product design. Design and customization, built for purpose.
The Toyota Hilux Champ isn't trying to be flashy, it's not oversized, it doesn't scream for attention, and it certainly doesn't have the aggressive styling of modern full-size trucks. Instead, Toyota prioritized function over form, creating a pickup that's simple, practical, and easy to customize.
A quick look reveals the Hilux Champ does not resemble the typical American pickup trucks on the market. The vehicle comes with minimalistic dimensions, while preserving lightweight and maximum functionality. Toyota took a deliberate choice to eliminate additional features in modern trucks, which led to the creation of an affordable and practical vehicle without excess trim. Every design choice in the Hilux Champ focuses on minimalism to accomplish affordable truck selection. The Hilux Champ stands out among competitors because it costs very little to maintain ownership. You will be amazed by the truck's initial spending threshold because it combines a rock-bottom price with minimal upkeep expenses. Owners can run their trucks efficiently over numerous years at affordable costs because the trucks use basic engineering with few complicated systems. The Hilux Champ proves beneficial for commercial use because it provides dependable performance throughout every working day. Its main objective remains basic functionality, since the Hilux Champ avoids competing with trendy or speedy truck models. The vehicle has been purpose-built to deliver intense labor capability while achieving extended operational lifetime. In an era where technology and luxury dominate all aspects of life, Toyota decided to embrace fundamental principles in its design. Through their basic design approach, Toyota has managed to develop an extraordinary product. Cost and ownership. The great price point for a truck offers neutral value unless you judge the Hilux Champ based on usability, as well as its smart design features. The following discussion analyzes characteristics which make this option particularly unique for everyday use. The $10,000 starting price delivers substantial value for the customer, although some elements of this package need more clarification. The basic version of this vehicle arrives with the fewest available standard features. A base model of the truck delivers a 2.0-liter engine alongside manual transmission, combined with standard interior elements without any high-end technology features. Basic versions of the Hilux Champ fail to include various essential features such as infotainment systems, along with power windows and air conditioning. Most buyers will choose upgrades, which will elevate the price toward $15,000 or $20,000, contrary to the basic version pricing at $10,000. Functionality serves as the primary distinguishing feature, together with adaptability in the Hilux Champ model design. The basic design of the truck enables users to customize it for various functional requirements. The chassis cab design allows business proprietors to convert the vehicle into either a delivery truck or mobile food stall and workshop setup. The flatbed modification can support agricultural duties for farmers, yet overlanding enthusiasts can create an adventure vehicle by mounting a camper shell to the vehicle. The Champ allows total flexibility to enable every owner to produce the truck that serves their specific requirements. The 2.0-liter engine is a great choice for those who want reliability without speed or off-the-line performance. This gives costly long-term advantages due to low consumption. It's simple because of the manual transmission, so that there will be fewer components to fail over time. This makes maintenance and repairs easier in areas where automatic transmissions are not the rage at all. In the interior, the cabin is as basic as it comes, but not that that is a bad thing. The seats are tough to clean. The dashboard is straightforward and easy to read, and there is no complex electronic system to worry about. This makes the Champ the ideal candidate for somebody that's looking for durability above luxury. With fewer electronics, there is less that can go wrong. Big plus for someone who's living in a remote area where repair shops might be few and far between. That said, not everyone is going to be cheered by the absence of fancy amenities. Modern drivers expect a power window, climate control, and infotainment systems included as standard features. However, the Champ is no luxury vehicle. Instead, it is a purpose-driven tool on the cheap side, a working vehicle for anybody needing a very dependable truck. Should a buyer wish to have a bit more in the way of convenience, however, Toyota offers transferable options that take the truck into the realm of a more traditional-sized pickup. Market impact. This brings the big question. Would Americans actually buy it? The truck market in the U.S. has been changing the past couple of years, and there is a resurgence of compact pickups. The success of the Ford Maverick has proved that there is a burgeoning demand for an affordable, smaller-sized pickup that maintains an acceptable level of utility. Many buyers do not really need a full-sized pickup with a sprawling towing capacity. They really just want a working vehicle to accomplish everyday tasks, handle gear, and provide reliable transportation. With this shift in preferences, a golden opportunity arises for the Toyota Hilux Champ. The Hilux Champ, however, makes its own way to the spotlight by targeting a niche long ignored. In a market where most trucks have been made bigger, with ever-increasing prices, and loaded with luxury features, Toyota banks on simple and affordable. If the Champ is regarded as a fuel-efficient, no-frills workhorse, it could find an appeal with a broad range of buyers. Small business owners, tradespeople, farmers, and outdoor enthusiasts could see this bargain price and utilitarian profile as quite attractive. In addition, second-car buyers who seek practical uses from their vehicles, such as weekend DIY projects or light-duty hauling, could think of the Champ as an affordable vehicle that would save them on the cost of owning a traditional pickup truck. One more point that could make it work well for the Hilux Champ. A new car has been growing costlier with inflation and expensive car loans playing into it. Hence, there's always the pursuit of cheaper options, though there are likely some hurdles to cross. There is a high possibility of that in entering a market where American truck buyers are used to larger and more powerful designs, with plush interiors and other technological advances. Based on a toned-down philosophy, would the Hilux Champ be too much to ask? Additionally, the U.S. safety and emissions regulations will impose an extra challenge for Toyota, which would eventually affect truck affordability and design. Quite frankly, if Japan's Toyota played its cards right with the Hilux Champ, then the U.S. big truck space would never be the same. Paired with the recent turn towards smaller and more economical trucks, the brand's splendid reputation for durable machines might just let the Champ sneak up on the market. Also, marketed right, a loyal following among practicality-oriented buyers who hold utility as the main objective would likely follow. Only time would tell if Americans will be ripe for a pickup back-to-basics style. But whatever the case, the Hilux Champ is sure to rattle the industry. A bold move with big potential. The Toyota Hilux Champ comes with an incredible concept that certainly breaks the mold regarding truck pricing. It may not be the truck everyone dreams about, but it does fill a gap for those who prefer practicality and reliability over luxury. Boasting a super low starting price, tested durability, and endless proof for custom improvement, Hilux Champ could be that budget-friendly workhorse small business owners and daily drivers have been craving for that time. So, the question is, would you actually be behind the wheel of that $10,000 Hilux Champ? Or are you one of those who think it would need some upgrading before winning over American buyers? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on the latest automotive game changers. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.